Is YouTube constantly loading, buffering, or not playing videos properly? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several quick fixes that can help get YouTube working smoothly again. So, let's get started. Close YouTube and other apps first. Completely close the YouTube app. Open your recent apps screen and swipe away YouTube. You can also close other unnecessary apps running in the background. This can free up system resources and fix temporary issues. Check for a YouTube update. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Search for YouTube and open its app page. If you see an update button, tap it and wait for the update to finish. Once it's updated, open YouTube and check if the problem is fixed. Clear YouTube's cache. If YouTube is still loading, open Settings on your Android phone. Now, scroll down and tap on Apps. Then, tap on Manage Apps. Now, scroll down to the bottom and select YouTube. Now, tap on Storage. Select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing YouTube to slow down or buffer. Check your internet connection next. Check your internet connection. Open a web browser and search for Internet Speed Test. Run a speed test and check your download speed. If your connection is slow or unstable, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Check if YouTube is down. Sometimes the problem isn't with your phone. Open your browser and search for Is YouTube Down? You can check a reliable outage monitoring website to see if other users are reporting problems. If YouTube is experiencing an outage, you'll need to wait until the service is restored. Turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open Quick Settings. Turn airplane mode on and wait about 10 seconds. Then turn it off again and wait for your Wi-Fi or mobile data to reconnect. Now open YouTube and try playing a video. Restart your phone. If YouTube is still not working properly, restart your Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap Restart and wait for your phone to turn back on. Once your phone restarts, reconnect to the internet and open YouTube again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.